Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about a new cordless router. This is the Bosch GKF12V-25. It's a palm edge router, and it doesn't have a cord, which is really wonderful because then you don't have to worry about the cord tangling up or catching the cord on things. It's 12 volts. It seems to have plenty of power for edge routing. I'm not sure I'd want to use it for hogging out things like I tried it on some hinge mortises and things like that, and it does it, but using a corded like comparable Colt router from Bosch seems to work better. But at any rate, it's a neat little thing. Let's try it out here. I'm going to put some ear protection on, but it's actually pretty quiet. Works pretty good. This is just a sink cutout from a vanity that I turned, or a buffet that I turned into a vanity. But it working on the irregular shape and everything, it cut really well. It's easy to change the bits. There's this cord lock, this collet lock that comes out like that. And then you can just use a wrench on it. Now they say it's designed to be done just like I showed you, like that, with two fingers on here and palm on here. You might be tempted to grab it in different fashions, but I don't think that's as safe. But it's a neat little machine, and seems to have enough power to do the job, and it's a pleasure not having to deal with a cord. Anyhow, that's what we've got for today. You can see lots more tool reviews and the latest woodworking industry news on our website, woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.